Alright, Cam, we're gonna try one of these, alright? Alright, Cam. Good job. Hi, bud. This might be a little too big for you. Here you go, Cam. Cam. Good girl. Good girl. Wanna try another one, Cam? This is fun just for comedic value, isn't it?
It is.
Let's try another one, Cam.
I hate you guys.
A little noodle leg. Hang on, Cam.
Why do you guys do these funny things?
Good girl.
Cameron does aerobics class.
These are, yeah, these are probably a touch big for her. We're going to have to see if we get another pair in the closet, but we're just getting her used to them. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Try one more. Good girl. Nope. Can I try one more? How's this one doing? No. Just stop using my limbs. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You got boots on, Cameron. You got boots on. Yeah. Good girl.
It's the newest dance craze in the spaniel world.
What? Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl, Cam. You're doing good in those. Yeah. Those are fun, aren't they? Those are fun. The odd leg just... Come here, Cam. Good girl. Good girl. You're doing good in those. Come here, Cam. Good girl. I think we probably should give her a break now here.
Okay.
Good girl. Okay.